Bachacha box.
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw Maa Durga. Start with an oval shape right at the center of the page. Let's first draw her facial features. Start by two rounded eyebrows like this. Make two big eyes with visible eyelids and eyelashes. Eyeballs will be slightly upwards as drawn here. Nice! A semicircle with a dot to represent her forehead tilak. A hint of nostrils, two curves connected with a small V at the center. Through the right nostril, make a huge circle to represent her nose ring. Make a curvy line and draw her mouth borders on each side. Good job! Create wavy hair falling onto her forehead with the center space left for the red sindoor or vermilion. Let's move to the crown. Make 4 bands straight followed by reversed U bands in an ascending order. Ascending means small to large. Create big 3 teardrops at the center of the first band. Draw an upside-down heart at the center of the last band. Good job! Make sure you leave some space between each band on the crown. Earrings and neck. Make 2 large peacock motifs in place of the ears. These represent large decorative earrings. Make another oval inside and fill it up with any flower design. Make the shape of her neck followed by 3 bands and a U-shaped band. Draw an oval at the center. This is Maa Durga's necklace. Color. Take skin color on her face and neck. Tilak and sindoor in red. For the remaining part, you are free to use any color of your choice. Jewelry can be colored in silver, gold, or yellow as generally used. And as per the stones and beads, you may use any bright colors. While praying to Maa Durga, please ask her to bless you with strength, courage and goodness, all the qualities which Maa Durga is loved for. Share this Maa Durga drawing with your family and friends.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.